Hey everybody, this is Unit 6, Formative 1, Video 3. We're going to talk whether a relationship is a function or not. Alright, so first we're given a set of points here. In order for a relationship to be a function, and we're given a set of points, basically we want to make sure no x values are repeating. Because it wouldn't make sense for it to be a function if you can get two different y values out of the same x value. So essentially you're looking at like an equation y equals, let's say, 2x plus 1. Well, let's say that x equals 3. If you plug in 3 to this equation, y equals 2 times 3 plus 1, you're going to get y equals 7. Well, if you plug in x equals 3 again, you should get the same exact answer. You're not going to get a completely different answer. So basically what we're looking for here is any repeating x values that get different y values. Well, right here we have an x value of 1 and an x value of 1. So we have a repeating x value with different y values. So no, this is not a function because x values repeat. Okay, this one here, we want to represent the data in a coordinate plane, and then we want to determine whether it's a function. So first of all, we see repeating x values here, 2 and 2. So we can initially tell that it's not going to be a function. But I'm actually going to tell you another way why this is not going to be a function once we actually get it graphed. So negative 2, 0, we're going to go left 2, and then we're not going to go up or down at all. Negative 1, 2, we're going to go left 1, up 2. 0, 4, we're going to stay at 0 and then go up 4. 2, 0, we're going to go over 2 and then not move at all. And 2, 2, over 2, up 2. Okay, well when we have something on a graph, we have something called the vertical line test. Or VLT is what we can abbreviate it as, vertical line test. Basically what this says is we're going to draw a vertical line through every single point on our graph. So in this case I have 4 different vertical lines through 4 different points. Actually through 5 different points. 2 of the points just end up lining up underneath each other. This means that these 2 points right here fail the vertical line test because they fall on the same line. So therefore, no, it is not a function because it fails that vertical line test. Okay, so in other words, 2 points are lined up next to each other. You can also have a graph that is just like a line like this, okay, and you can draw yourself vertical lines through that as well. This would actually be a function then because it only crosses the graph in one spot. Alright, again we have a graph here, so let's do our vertical line test. All we want to do here is draw a vertical line through every single spot on that graph. And in this case, every single vertical line only intersects one point. So yes, this is a function by the vertical line test. Alright, in the last one here we have a mapping diagram. Similar to when we thought about our set of points, we don't want any x values repeating. Well, in this case, when we list our points, we'd have negative 9, negative 1. Then we'd have another point, negative 9, 0, and already our x values repeat. Well, you also see that this negative 9 here has 2 lines coming off of it, so that makes it not a function. Okay, so with mapping diagrams, you're going to have 2 lines coming off of a number. With graphs, you're going to use the vertical line test, and with a set of points, your x value is going to repeat. Alright, and that is how you tell whether something is a function or not. We will see you later.